Go out for a punt today. It's beautiful. Light airs. Lovely Saturday in late February. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to test out my new Osmo Action 4, action camera. See how it goes. It's beautiful. Not a lot of breeze though. Jivo! This is beautiful. Oh, there's another punt sale on. Is it?
Yeah.
What punt sailing is all about. Just chilling out. Look at that. Looks like there's a rowing boat that's been washed up on the seawall. Let's go and do a bit of salvage work. Looks like somebody's tied that up already. So maybe it's not in need of rescue. Looks like there might be a bit of a storm coming in. Certainly some rain. Let's see if I can beat that ashore. So that is Bodicea. She's a fishing smack built in 1808, and I believe she's the oldest or second oldest sailing boat that's still in regular use. Yep, made it back.